Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you one of the coolest prefab homes currently available. Over the last few months, I've showcased a lot of amazing prefab homes in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and price points, but I haven't seen anything like this before. This industry has such a wide range of housing options. There's something for everyone, and I feel like the entire space is still just finding its legs. There are new companies, new ideas, and new designs emerging in the space all the time, and for everyone who likes seeing what's all available, that means a seemingly endless supply of new homes to look at. It's perfect. The company I'm talking about today is called lloyoll Prefabs, and their modern lineup of small footprint homes are some of the coolest I've seen. What I'm going to do is tell you a little bit about the company, check out a few of their homes, and get into their pricing, so let's do it. lloyoll Prefabs is a Nova Scotia-based company building small, eco-friendly, sustainable dwellings that don't compromise on quality that they're describing as a new lineup of premium prefab homes. They have a background in energy-efficient and sustainable homes, however, entered the prefab arena to focus on green construction processes. They concluded that prefab and modular construction practices reduce the carbon footprint and waste products produced during the traditional home build process. Now, their tradespeople and design team continue to produce unbelievable architecture while harnessing the efficiencies of their modern modular home prefab shop. Tip of the cap to their design team, these things are in a league of their own. Go Peaches. They say our collaborative approach combines the creativity and experience of skilled architects with old world craft while harnessing the precision and reliability of prefab construction. Styled for any neighborhood and adapted to the far reaches of the wilds, these prefab homes will enhance your lifestyle and help you go further. I do like the sounds of that. I do. lloyoll Prefabs has introduced a tool that I'm starting to see more and more of lately that's extremely helpful in streamlining the process of purchasing a new prefab home, and that's the ability to select and price one of their homes from wherever you are with nothing but your computer. The days of driving from place to place, looking at every option under the sun, might soon be coming to an end. With these new tools, you'll be able to at least narrow down your search and get accurate pricing before you pound the pavement, but I do understand the importance of actually walking through a home before you buy, and I don't think that's going away. With the tool, you can select exterior trims, interior packages, countertops, hardware, heating systems, and more. It's one of the most comprehensive online build tools I've seen, even giving you the option to outfit the home with everything needed to go off grid. When you've got everything the way you want it, you submit the order and wait to be contacted by someone from lloyoll. Slick system they've got, and I think companies are going to have to get on board with this kind of order or risk being left behind. Depending on backlogs, the homes can be finished in as little as 6 months, which is quite reasonable given the current conditions, so let's check out a few other models. My favorite series of their entire lineup is the Scally, and it comes in 3 different models. PSA, there's a line over the A in Scally, so the chances I'm pronouncing it wrong are through the roof. Cue the grammar guy, we'll see in the comments. The models in the series are the Scally High Cuboid at 768 square feet, the Scally Bungalow at 588 square feet, and finally the one I'm going to focus on today, the Scally Backcountry Cuboid. I've seen a lot of prefab homes, but let me tell you right up front, I've never seen anything quite like this design. Before I get to the interior, let's just take a second and admire the exterior of this home. The model shown is finished with weathering steel, giving it a look that'll result in almost as many double takes as me trying to record a 9-minute video. The Scally Backcountry Cuboid is 424 square feet with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 2 lofts. Talk about maximizing the space. The description says, when less is more. Our design team has created an open concept floor plan that maximizes every inch. With floor to ceiling Anderson windows, open kitchen, 3-piece bathroom, bedroom, and an open loft area for 2 extra beds, lloyoll has created a bright and airy eco footprint that fits anywhere. Tell me this isn't one of the coolest prefab homes out there. The lofts bring a bit of that tiny home vibe, but it's built as a 4-season residence to be placed on a permanent foundation. The dimensions of the home are 12 feet wide by 24 feet long for a total of 288 square feet on the main floor with another 136 square feet in the lofts. This could very well be the best use of those dimensions I've ever seen. Think about it, there's enough beds for a family of 4. A few noteworthy standard features on the Backcountry Cuboid are the rich armor of weathering steel and a wood stove with the option to upgrade to net zero power source, an outdoor shower, or a fully off-grid power source. A few things I really like about this home. Number one, the extra room for sleeping. I'm going to state the obvious here, but this is not a big home. The fact that they've designed a 12 by 24 foot home that sleeps 4 is something to write home about. Number two is the combination of high ceiling and windows. That'll open up the space and make it feel a lot more roomy. And finally, number three is the wood interior. I like drywall as much as the next guy, but the interior on the backcountry cuboid just works. You've got the wood, you've got the steel, you've got the natural light. It works. The end. Let's say you want to buy this home, but you don't know for sure if it's going to be enough space. Don't panic. They've got you covered. This model is set up as a show home that you can actually rent on Airbnb, and if you end up buying, the first 3 nights of your stay are credited towards the purchase price of the home. The try before you buy option is always nice to have. Let's see what else they got. The second group of homes is the Sitka series with the same 3 sizes and layouts, the main difference being the style. In this series, we're checking out the 768 square foot Sitka high cuboid that has 2 bedrooms, each big enough for a king bed and 1 bathroom. First glance, the most obvious difference between this and the Scally is no steel exterior. The Sitka is finished with a weathered cedar plank siding that gives it a look most people are probably a little more used to seeing. It looks great, but it doesn't slap nearly as hard as the steel. The floor plan has a bedroom on either end with the living room kitchen in the middle and adds 2 feet to the width, making it 14 wide by 42 feet long. It has the same general loft layout, and the extra 2 feet of width makes the end loft that much more spacious. The Sitka high cuboid has 11-foot floor-to-ceiling windows covering a significant portion of the front. So if you aren't a fan of daylight, probably not the home for you, but for me, it would be perfect. This is another great layout that offers a little bit more space for everyone who wants a little bit more space. Let's check out their final series. The final layout in their lineup is the bungalow, and for that I'm going to show you their Salty series. The Salty series description says, simplify your lifestyle with this modern 2-bedroom bungalow. 9-foot ceilings, 3-piece bathroom, 2 king beds, and ample storage create a spacious and energy efficient layout. Live every season efficiently. Cool. The exterior of the Salty series is finished with cedar bleached by the sun, and the footprint is the same size as the high cuboid at 14 feet by 42 feet long. The main difference between the two are ceiling height and lofts. As the name suggests, the bungalow is a 1-level unit, so no such luck on extra sleeping areas in this sucker. Another great looking home from a company that's taking everything we thought we knew about how a prefab home is designed and thrown it directly in the dumpster. Before I wrap this thing up, obviously we're going to look at pricing, and the beauty is their tool does give an estimate for shipping, but since I don't know where you're watching from, I'm just going to have it priced as if it's being delivered to their own factory. They're located in Canada and show pricing in Canadian dollars, but I will do a USD conversion that will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The backcountry cuboid starts at $247,472. The high cuboid starts at $324,948, and the bungalow starts at $284,955. Again, that's with me putting their factory address as the delivery site, so probably going to look different when you put in your own. Loyal Prefabs are shaking things up in the premium prefab space. I don't know if it's their background in timber frame homes or the creativity of their design team, but they're coming out with designs I haven't seen anywhere else. The prefab home industry has been fun to watch lately as companies bring fresh ideas and try and get the attention of the consumer. I personally think we're just getting started, and there's going to be more new companies and more new designs on the way, but only time will tell. I'm going to keep an eye on Loyal Prefabs, and if they come out with any new designs or top their weathering steel exterior, I'll be sure to do an update right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.